In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Amazon returned items for cheap. We'll be exploring how to find those like new, used or open box products that have been returned to Amazon. These items often present great deals, allowing you to snag some excellent products at a fraction of the cost. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Amazon.com. Simply open your web browser and type in the website address. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right of the screen to find the Sign In button. Click on it to log into your account. If you don't already have an Amazon account, you'd need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. After you've clicked Sign In, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and then click on Continue. You'll then be asked for your password. Enter it carefully and click Sign In, which will take you back to the homepage once you've successfully logged in. Now that you're signed in, you're back at the Amazon homepage. Look for the All button on the top left next to the Amazon logo. It may appear as a hamburger icon if you're on a smaller screen. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. Scroll down through this menu until you find the Programs and Features section. Here you need to find and click on See All to expand your options. Keep an eye out for Amazon Outlet in the extended list and select it. Once you are in the Amazon Outlet section, look for the Amazon Resale category and click on it. The Amazon Resale section is an exciting part of the site. It offers discounted items that have been returned by other customers. These products are often like new, gently used, or open box items available at a lower price. As you browse, you'll notice that Amazon typically tests these items and provides a description with their condition. It's essential to read these descriptions carefully as they give you a good understanding of the product's state, helping you assess its value. Finally, if you found something that meets your needs and is at the right price, you can go ahead and purchase the item. Be sure to take your time and consider your options, making sure it's a worthwhile deal. And there you have it. Now you know how to explore Amazon Resale for great deals on returned items. Whether you're looking for tech gadgets, home appliances, or any other product category, you can often find incredible discounts here. Happy shopping, and stay tuned for more tips on getting the best out of your online shopping experience.